Hey team, Dania here with ProLifeOrganics.com, your athletic therapist and strength coach here to help you move and feel your best. Today we are tackling all things pseudosciatica. So this is you if you have any glute tightness or if you have any pain going down the back of your leg. This can definitely help provide some relief to that tension you might be experiencing. What you'll need is a ball, or if you have a foam roller, that works too. The ball can be a lacrosse ball, a tennis ball, a softball. What you'll notice is the smaller and harder the ball is, the more aggressive this can be. So I'm gonna talk you through how to lift off your body weight if it's just too intense, or apply more body weight if it's not enough pressure. So this is gonna be a self-massage for your glutes. Come with me to the floor. Now we're tackling our tight piriformis, our glutes. There's multiple glutes in that area, and we're gonna use our ball to help give ourselves a massage. So what you're gonna do to be super safe is just start in the center of your glute, your butt cheek, right? You're going to then gently put your weight on the ball. And what you're gonna do is use your hands and your feet to help lift off pressure and help you move around. So if this is too uncomfortable, you can do it on a chair so if you're not comfortable on the ground. But what we're gonna do is I'm gonna use my hands here, place them behind me, use my feet to actually lift up my body weight a little bit, and then I'm just gonna roll around the ground and explore that tight glute. You can go a little bit lower or higher up on that glute. You're gonna go a little higher, lower, side to side. You might feel some flipping over of the muscle. Always listen to your body. If it's making your symptoms worse or more intense, then back off pressure or move away from that area. What we wanna have this do is help provide relief, not add to any pain. So pseudosciatica is typically caused by tight glutes compressing on that sciatic nerve, causing that down the leg pain. This you can do for 30 seconds to up to 2 minutes per side. Every day is okay, and just make sure you listen to your body. Let me know in the comments below how this goes for you and what you'd like to see next.